Most people think successful people are motivated all the time. That's a lie. Nobody wakes up every day feeling inspired. Not athletes, not entrepreneurs, not creators. The difference is simple. Average people work when they feel motivated, while successful people work even when they don't. Motivation is an emotion, and emotions change. If your actions depend on motivation, your progress will always be inconsistent. Motivation feels powerful at the start. You watch a video, hear a speech, and suddenly you're ready to change your life. But that feeling doesn't last forever. Many people quit when motivation fades because they think something is wrong. The truth is that motivation was never meant to carry you to the finish line. It only helps you begin. What keeps you moving is discipline and commitment. Think about habits. You don't need motivation to brush your teeth every day. You do it because it's part of your routine. Imagine treating your goals the same way. Whether it's studying, working out, learning a skill, or creating content, progress becomes easier when action turns into habit. Habits remove excuses and help you keep moving, even on difficult days. Another mistake people make is focusing only on results. They want success immediately and get frustrated when it takes time. Real growth is slow and often invisible at first. Every small effort matters. Every day you show up, you're building momentum. The people who succeed aren't always the most talented. They're the ones who stay consistent long enough to see the results.